Hi guys, it's Louise from Lucky Night Studio. Today we're going to be talking about AI and how it can help your business. So whether it's for blogs or FAQs or social media posts, I'll show you how AI can make content creation smoother and smarter. We all know that running a business now takes more than just doing the actual work. We need to be on socials, providing value to our customers, working on our SEO, and this all takes valuable time. So any steps that we can make to speed up this process and make life a little bit easier is always helpful. So let's get started. Firstly, what is AI? So you'll probably know of ChatGPT, is probably one of the biggest ones. That's a language model and it's trained on content, mainly the internet. And from this, it can actually generate text for you. So you can give it a prompt and it can answer you back. So how can we actually use it? Imagine you're planning to write a blog post about the best skincare tips for busy entrepreneurs. You can start by asking AI tools to generate some ideas or even a rough outline. This process can save you a ton of time and gives you a creative boost when you need it most. Now, once you have this initial draft, it's crucial to add your personal touch. The reason for this is because AI, although it is smart, it doesn't know your audience like you do. It's your insights, experiences, and personal anecdotes that will really resonate with your readers. So let's talk about making your content helpful. When you create content, it should be tailored to your audience needs. Are you solving a problem? Are you answering a question that they might have? This is where AI can come in handy. Use it to ensure your content is structured to address these points effectively. But here's a pro tip. Always double check the facts and details that your AI gives you. It's great at generating information, but it's not always perfect. Your credibility is key, especially when building your brand. Editing is where you'll shine. Polish the AI's work, check for grammar, tweak the style, and make sure it sounds like you. Remember, the goal is to keep your content authentic and engaging. At Lucky Night Studio, we're all about actionable steps, not just floaty ideas. So let's break down 3 ways that you can use AI to generate content for your business with some prompt examples. Creating a blog post. To use AI for blogging, start by defining the topics and key points you want to cover. AI can help you expand your initial ideas into a structured outline or even generate a first draft, which you can refine and personalize. So a prompt example would be, generate a blog outline for 10 time-saving tips for female entrepreneurs in the beauty industry. Include an introduction, several sections with headers and a conclusion. So then you can fill in the outline. Don't forget to include personal stories, add expert quotes you've gathered, or include case studies to really illustrate your point. So this approach ensures that the content remains personal and relatable while being structured and comprehensive. Now let's look at making an FAQ section. An FAQ section on your website can help your users by preemptively answering common questions. AI can help compile and refine these FAQs based on common queries in your industry, which you can then adjust to reflect the specifics of your services. So a good example of this is create a list of common questions and answers for a small business specializing in homemade skincare products. Focus on ingredients, products, product use, storage, and shipping. Review the AI generated questions and answers to ensure that they truly reflect the FAQs that your customers might have, and add in any that might have been missed. Add any additional tips and anything else that might help your customers. Finally, let's look at developing a social media content schedule. This can just really help when you've got a little bit of a blocker. So a consistent social media presence can help maintain engagement and attract new followers. AI can assist in generating a content calendar by suggesting post ideas, best time to post based on your users' engagement patterns, and themes that might resonate with your audience. A prompt example would be create a 1-month content calendar for a boutique specializing in women's handcrafted jewelry. Include post ideas that involve community engagement, product highlights, behind the scenes content, and customer testimonials. Take the AI generated calendar and refine it. Schedule posts for optimal times, tailor the content ideas to highlight your unique selling points, and intersperse promotional posts with engaging community-focused content. Always make sure to add a personal touch to each post to foster a stronger connection with your audience. In all cases, the key to effectively using AI in content creation lies in the blend of AI efficiency and the human touch. AI excels in handling repetitive tasks and generating structured outputs. However, your expertise and personal insights are what will really make your content stand out. Using AI as a starting point rather than the final word ensures your content is not only effective and SEO friendly, but also authentic and engaging, reflecting the heart of your business. So to summarize, when should you use AI in your content? A real good idea is brainstorming and ideation. Stop on what to write next. AI is here to rescue you from the writer's block. They can help generate fresh ideas, detail outlines, or even offer new perspective on familiar topics. This is a great way to start your content journey and explore diverse angles for your articles and for your blog posts. You can also use AI in researching and gathering information. So dive into topics without getting totally overwhelmed. You can use AI to sift through large data sets and summarize complex information quickly. This not only helps save you precious time, but also helps you pinpoint the most relevant sources and uncover fascinating topics to engage with your audience. Another way you can use it is expanding on ideas or creating a rough draft. So if you're looking to speed up your writing process, AI can lay down the basic structure of your content. From drafting simple introductions to generating multilingual content, AI can help with the groundwork, letting you focus on adding that personal touch and speak directly to your audience. AI can also help improve your content. If you need a quick summary or check for any mistakes or suggest better phrasing. Remember, the goal isn't to replace your creativity, but to refine and enhance it. You want to experiment with AI, see what works for your business, and always keep your audience at the heart of everything you write. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this helpful. And I'll see you next time.